Hello, instructors. I am Sambat Wat, and now is my time to present my final projects. My final project's name is Micro Learnings for Financial Service Providers. Before I present the user interface and how it looks like, I'd like to present in two parts. One is coding in, structures and management, and part two I will present uh, the live versions of the application and what are the features for the application. So the first part I'd like to introduce that my projects, it has a main part of the coding structures. Actually, it's four, but yeah, the asset is very small ones, just having only one logos. But I have the main HTML files. It's index called index, and I have styles folders, CSS folders, and I separate my file into files into base, into a component, into dark modes, into a layout, and into responsive. So I split this file into this folder into different files. So it is convenient to manage the coding and concise to debug the errors. So it is a good practical. I think as I learned, we should break down the file into different files. Sorry, the style into different files. And for the JavaScript, in order to apply the logics and to make the website dynamics and responsive, I have create about nearly 10 files, but it took two different categories for the data file with a glossary data, with module data, and FAQ data. So I make it into the same folder, but in two different categories. And the others categories about authentication handlers, DOMs elements, events handler, and the main coding, the main for the JavaScript, and the modules logics, and the storage utilities and UI functions. So I separate these codings into the different files, so it's convenient to manage the codings. Okay, so this is my codings part, and you will see in my share links into these assignment submissions. And next, I'd like to share to present the features. Okay, for these features, I have the homes. Once the users log out and they can come back to homes, this is very important, I think. And I create 6 modules. And here, content, this is the outlines of the modules. And this e-learning platform or micro-learning platform is for financial service providers as a target audience. And I have a video welcomes here. And when I press start learning, it asks to log in. So I use the APIs. I integrate API from Firebase to set up these sign-ins and logins forms. So it has ability to log in or to sign up, and even the user forget password, it automatically configures the forget password option. And the user have when they log in, it will have ability to log out as well. And also I have the next feature is theme. It has a dark modes and light modes. So let's start to sign ups. I already signed up, but I can share a login features. Okay. So when the user log in, it show the content modules. It is a tag based. Yeah, in the future it will have ability to update the different type of content like image and videos. However, I have 8 new content types. The module set is more interesting, and I integrate with the third-party API from iSprings. This is a SCORMS package. So yeah, it provides the ability for the user to learn with the interactive features. Yeah. Okay. So this is this example. Yeah, and it has ability to ask the quick checks. Yeah. Okay. This is the 6th module. The other 4 module is the same, just not the same module set. It is almost a tag based. Yeah. So when the users want to log out, yes, this is a function for logouts, and this is the welcome username. Actually, username is the email. It has a limitation, so in the future we can update to user names. Okay, so it has a function for glossaries, page, and FQA as well. And just I want to log out. Yes, it goes to the home screen, and yeah, this is the completion of the micro learnings projects. And there is some limitation, like I said, it should have a usernames rather than emails. And in the future, I could consider to upgrade the learner progress, which connected with the modules quiz of each module quiz. So yeah, it as login. It is either feature of error as well. So once in the future, I think I could create more about the learner progress when the learners they do these quick checks, or Ideally, I could create an assessment function, so to ask the user to do the test, and the test will show the progress of the learner's knowledge in other feature of these platforms. Thank you. That is coming to the end of my projects, and for any difficulty or my English is not well understand, so I would apologize. Thank you. This is the end of my project's presentation.